In this video, I'm going to be sharing 3 different methods that you can use on how you can start making money in 2020. Hey, what's going on, you guys? Benjamin here with Motivational Marketer, and in this video, I'm going to be sharing 3 different methods that you can use so you can start earning money in 2020. Now, if you're watching this video, then chances are you've probably made a few different New Year's resolutions. One of them might be that you want to make more money in the new year. So that's why I'm going to be sharing 3 different ways that you can get started in 2020. Now, before I get into these methods, I just want to first welcome you guys to my channel. And if this is your first time here and you're interested in learning different methods when it comes to making money online, then I invite you to subscribe and also hit the bell icon so you'll be notified when I upload new videos. Okay, so with that being said, I'm not going to go into a big rant or a big introduction. I'm going to just jump right into it. Now, there's plenty of different ways that you can make money online, but I'm going to share the 3 most common and most profitable methods. So if you've ever looked up any videos on how you can make money online, you've probably heard of all 3 of these. And I'm going to talk a little bit about the pros and cons of each method. So let me talk about the first one, which is going to be dropshipping. Now, if you don't know what dropshipping is, it's basically where you find an item that's being sold online and then you relist that item on a different platform or maybe your own website for a higher price. Now, whatever price that you mark up that item for is going to be your profit. So let's say that you find something like a barbecue that's being sold on Amazon. If that barbecue is being sold for $40 on Amazon, you can relist that same barbecue on a website like eBay and you can sell that for $60. So you're going to be making a $20 commission if somebody purchases that barbecue off of your eBay listing. Now, the cool thing is that you don't have to pay for that barbecue until the customer buys that from your eBay listing. So once that happens, you just go to Amazon, you order that barbecue, and instead of you having it shipped directly to you, you're going to have it shipped to the customer. So you're basically making a commission by selling somebody else's product. Now, let me talk about a few pros and cons when it comes to dropshipping. Now, most people who get started with dropshipping, they create their own website using a platform called Shopify, and they just find products from Chinese wholesale websites like AliExpress or Alibaba. Now, if you're going to go with this method, one of the cons about using this method is that it can take between 2 to 4 weeks, maybe even 6 weeks for a customer to receive a product that they bought if your resource is coming from online Chinese wholesale websites. Because since they're coming from overseas, it's going to take longer to receive as opposed to if that product is being shipped from within the country. Now, one of the pros about using dropshipping, as I just mentioned, is that you don't have to invest a bunch of money into paying for a product. You're going to be simply using somebody else's money whenever they purchase that product from your listing, and then you're just going to order that product for yourself. And whatever price that you mark up that product for on your website or on another platform is going to be your profit. Now, another con when it comes to using dropshipping is that there's a lot of competition. If you're going to be using a platform where you're not going to create your own website, another platform that you can use is eBay. Now, the thing is that there's way too much competition when it comes to eBay and dropshipping. A lot of people find their products to dropship from websites like Amazon, Walmart, and even the Home Depot. So that means there's not really a whole lot of profit to be made when it comes to competition because people are just relisting a product and they're only making like $1 or $2 on top of that. So it's going to be kind of hard to compete with other people. You're not really going to make like $20 profit on an item when somebody else is only making $5 profit. They're just trying to undercut everybody else because everybody is just trying to make a quick sale. Now, another pro when it comes to dropshipping is that you don't have to store any inventory. You don't have to take up any space in your garage or your closet and have a bunch of inventory that you don't even know is going to sell. Because when it comes to dropshipping, you're only going to be paying for a product once it's sold. So that's the benefit of using dropshipping. So let me talk about the second method, which is going to be Amazon FBA. Now, you've probably heard about this business method already, but if you don't know what Amazon FBA is, FBA stands for Fulfilled by Amazon. So basically, you're going to be buying a product in bulk and you're going to have it shipped to the Amazon warehouse. Then you're going to list that product for sale on Amazon, and whenever somebody purchases that product on Amazon, the people who work at Amazon, they're going to pack, fulfill, and ship out that order to the customer. Now, let me talk about a few different pros and cons when it comes to Amazon FBA. So, I mean, Pro number one is that you don't have to do all the packing and fulfilling and shipping out yourself. The people who work at the Amazon warehouse, they're going to be the ones who do that for you. Now, a con when it comes to Amazon FBA is that you can easily spend between $500 and $1,000 just to get started. So most of your money would be going towards investing into a product by buying that product in bulk. Now, where do you get your product from that you can have shipped to the Amazon warehouse? Most people who use Amazon FBA, they find a product that is being sold on an online Chinese wholesale website like AliExpress or DHgate or Alibaba. So when you get started with Amazon FBA, it's important to make sure that you're ordering a good quality product. You don't want to order a cheap product that's going to break whenever somebody uses it for the first time, because you're going to have unhappy customers and they're going to return those products. So what I would recommend is first get in contact with the wholesaler that's selling that product that you plan on listing for sale on Amazon, and just have them ship out one just to ensure the quality of that product. Then once you're sure about it, then you can order that product in wholesale and then ship it to the Amazon warehouse. Now, another pro when it comes to Amazon FBA, is basically once you have that product, you have it listed for sale, you just basically watch the money start coming in. You just watch sales coming in, and you just have to maintain that inventory. You just have to keep in contact with that seller and make sure that you're going to have enough supplies whenever that shipment is running low. Now, another con when it comes to Amazon FBA is that there are plenty of fees that you're going to have to pay. Since people are going to be packing, fulfilling, and shipping out your order to the customer, you're going to have to pay a fee for that. And you're going to have to pay a monthly fee for storing your products in the Amazon warehouse. Now, depending on how much the fees are, depends on what type of product and how big it is, and how long you have that product stored for. But there are plenty of people out there who are making 6 figures a year just by using Amazon FBA. I'm not going to say that everybody who starts Amazon FBA business becomes successful, because the majority of people fail because they don't have the right tools, they don't have the right knowledge, but it's a trial and error process. So the people who are willing to stick it out and learn from their mistakes, those are the people who are going to become successful in this business. Now, the third method that I want to share with you guys, you've probably heard about this one as well, and this is going to be affiliate marketing. Now, this is my personal favorite, and if you're not familiar with what affiliate marketing is, it's basically where you're promoting somebody else's product online, and you're going to be given what's called an affiliate link. So you're going to be given a special link. So whenever somebody clicks on your link, it's going to take them to that product that you're promoting. And if they purchase that product, that sale is going to be tracked back to you. So you're going to get credit for that sale. So that means you're going to earn a commission. Now let me talk about a few pros and cons when it comes to affiliate marketing. So the number one pro is that you don't have to create your own product in order to make money with affiliate marketing. Like I just mentioned, you're going to be promoting somebody else's product. So they're giving you a commission for promoting their product and sending customers to them. One of the biggest cons when it comes to affiliate marketing is that you're going to see delayed results. It's going to take a while for you to get results when it comes to affiliate marketing, because unlike dropshipping and Amazon FBA, it's not simply just having a person buy a product. And when it comes to Amazon FBA, the person that you're promoting that product to, they have to feel like they're able to trust you, because you're promoting a product to them and you're addressing a specific problem that they're having. So if somebody doesn't know who you are, or if they can trust you, it's going to be hard for them to pull out their credit cards and purchase a product that you're promoting to them. So in order to become successful with affiliate marketing, you're going to have to first build up an audience by creating content that is delivering value to them. Now, what value means for one audience can be totally different for another audience. It depends on what niche that you're going to be in. So if you're in the weight loss niche, delivering value can be sharing weight loss tips, healthy eating habits. If you're in the make money online niche, delivering value can be showing people how to invest their money wisely, how to save money, and how to make money. So you just have to know what value is for your target audience. Now, another pro when it comes to affiliate marketing is that this is a great way to make a passive income, because once you create a sales funnel and you have it set up properly, all you have to do is just focus on getting traffic to your sales funnel, and your sales funnel should be taking care of the rest. It's going to filter out the non-buyers from the buyers. So it's kind of like, just to give you guys an example, let's just say that a sales funnel is going to filter out people who are actually willing to make a purchase, and your sales funnel is going to look like this. And there's different levels to your sales funnel. So right here, you're going to be focusing on getting people to your sales funnel. You're going to get more people into your sales funnel than you're going to receive on the end of your sales funnel. So you're going to receive a lot more traffic into your sales funnel, and you're just going to receive maybe a small amount of people who are actually going to be buyers. So when you learn how to do this, I mean, you're going to become successful with affiliate marketing. Now, another con that I want to talk about if you're going to go with affiliate marketing is that you're not going to be growing or promoting your own brand. You're going to be promoting somebody else's brand. So, I mean, this might not be important to you if you're just trying to make money online, but if you're trying to grow a brand and make your company known, I mean, this might be something that might be a deal breaker for you because you're promoting somebody else's brand and you're helping their business grow. So these are the 3 methods that you should get started with in 2020 if you want to make money online. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully you got some value from it. And if you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and let me know down in the comments below what you guys thought about this video. And if you're somebody who wants to get started with your own online business, but you have no idea where to get started, check out the first link in the top of the description. Well, that's pretty much it for this one. So with that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one.